Hi everyone, welcome to Edupedia World. This is Varun Ganga. Guys, in the last session we have learned how to use this Varada Siddhantham Chudamani Sutram in finding the square of a recurring number. But in this session, we are going to use same Varada Siddhantham Chudamani Sutram for finding the product of two different recurring numbers without doing any actual multiplication. So guys, before going to use this Varada Siddhantham Chudamani Sutram for finding the product of two recurring numbers, at first we have to find three important things which are very useful while doing the computation. So the first thing what we are going to find is Cn. I think you have heard in the previous sessions. Cn is nothing but compounding number. And the second thing is Dn. This is diminishing number. You have heard about these two. And the last but not the least, that is number of digits that are going to be in the answer. And here it is found out by adding the number of digits that are in both the multiplicand as well as the multiplier. Now moving further, we are having two types of cases while applying this Varada Siddhantham Chudamani Sutra. And the same process is done for both the cases to get the answer but with a slight difference. Now in this session, we are going to see what the first case is going to be and how we are going to solve that first case by using this Varada Siddhantham Chudamani Sutram with a clear-cut example. Now let us see what is the first case is. The case 1 explains that if the number of recurring digits are same in both the multiplicand and multiplier, we use the following process. Now for an example, let us take 8888 into 5555, that is 8888 into 5555. So guys, as I have said you that at first we have to find three important things, and the number one thing that we are going to find here is Cn. And here, while applying this Varada Siddhantham Chudamani Sutram or finding the product of two different recurring numbers, we have to multiply the digits that are recurring here. Here, the digits what are recurring are 8 and 5. So 8 into 5, we will get 40. And since it is a two-digit number, we have to add the digits and we will get the Cn as 4. Now, the another thing that we are going to find here is Dn. Dn is found out by multiplying the Cn with the number of digits. And here, the Cn what we have got is 4 and the number of digits that are recurring are only 4. So 4 into 4, you will get 16 as answer. Now 16, it is a two-digit number. So you just add the digits 1 and 6, you will get 7. And so therefore Dn is equals to 7. Finally, we have to find the number of digits that are going to be in the answer. And these are found out by adding the number of digits that are recurring in both the multiplicand as well as multiplier. So here 4 8s and 4 5s are recurring. So therefore 4 plus 4 is equals to 8. And the number of digits that are going to be in the answer is 8. Moving further, let us have a look of the computation process that we have done to get the answer. The computation process goes like this. Now if you observe clearly the table, the step number 1 tells you that we have to multiply the first digits of the multiplicand and the multiplier. And if you multiply 8 and 5, you will get 40 as the answer. Since 40 it is a two-digit number, so we have to ignore 4 and we have to take 0, that is the digit in one's place, and we have to write it in the answer as the first digit. Moving to step number 2, we have to add the Cn with the first digit what we have got in the answer. So 4 plus 0, we will get 4 and we have to write this 4 in the second place in the answer. Moving further, that is to step 3, we have to add Cn with the second digit of the answer what we have got. So 4 plus 4, you will get 8, and again we had to place this 8 in the third place of the answer. Moving further, that is to step number 4, again we have to add Cn with the third digit what we have got in the answer, that is 4 plus 8, we will get 12. Since 12 it is a two-digit number, so we are going to take the digit that is in ones place, that is 2, and we are going to ignore the digit that is in tens place, that is 1. And right now we are going to stop the process. Why? Because we have got 4 digits of the answer, and you know that the number of digits that are going to be in the answer is 8. So right now we are going to stop this process and we are going to deduct all these 4 digits, that is 0, 4, 8 and 2 from that many DNs, and the process goes like this. So we are going to write all the DNs, and we are going to write the digits that we have got as the answers below it. So 2, 8, 4 and 0. And now we are going to subtract these digits. So 7 minus 0 you will get 7, and 7 minus 4 you will get 3, and 7 minus 8 it won't go. So what we are going to do here is we are going to use Bindavankana method of subtraction. So we have to place a dot on the top of the digit 2, and we have to take the complement of 8 with respect to 10. So complement of 8 with respect to 10 we will get 2, and by adding that 2 with the above 7, so 2 plus 7 you will get 9, and we are going to write that 9 in the answer. Now moving to the next step, that is 2 plus the number of dots, you will get 3. So 7 minus 3 you will get 4 as the answer. Now by clubbing both these two answers, you will get the final answer as 49372840. So therefore you can say that 8888 into 5555 is equals to 49,372,840. So guys, this is the way how we can use this Varada Siddhantham Chudamani Sutram for finding the product of two different recurring numbers. And I hope that you have understood pretty well how to use this Varada Siddhantham for finding the product of different types of recurring numbers. In the next session, we are going to have one more example with regarding to the same shortcut. And for watching this video, thank you. Have a nice day.